Hi, good morning. Tom Schaefer here with Blossom Installations. I have a 2019 Honda HRV. The new vehicles today are not coming with CD players anymore. So today I'll be adding a single CD that is USB driven. This unit, once it's installed, will work through the touch screen and display the artist and the music being played. Hold on, we're about to do this installation with you. Hi again. So here we are with the CD player on the HRV. One of the hardest parts is finding a place to mount these new CD players. On the HRV, there is actually a bit of a tunnel below the gear shifter. And although there is not a lot of room, there happens to be just enough room to mount the CD player. So this is the location we've chosen, and this is where we're gonna go for it. Follow along. Okay, so for this installation, I've actually decided to go ahead and open up the CD player, and look at that, the top cap comes off, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna drill 4 holes through this top lid and actually mount that to the underside of the HRV, slide the rest of the CD chassis through it, and clip the 2 halves back together. That will hold it up in the tunnel and create a clean, simple installation. Here's the finished mounted CD player. It's mounted in the tunnel below the gear selector on the 2019 Honda HRV. This is the display of the factory radio. Notice that tracks are changed and displayed via the touch screen. Steering wheel controls also continue to work. And that's it. Add a CD player to a USB port on a modern car. Blossom Installations, Northeast PA, New York, New Jersey, your automotive, technical, electrical installation experts.